In this guide, I am going to show you how to delete Google Play search history. Follow these straightforward steps. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You'll find it in your app drawer or your home screen. In the Google Play Store app, look on the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Tap on it to open the account menu. Once there, a menu will appear. Look for the Settings option and tap on it to proceed to the next step. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find various options. Tap on General to access more specific settings related to your account. Under the General settings, look for Account and Device Preferences. In the Account and Device Preferences section, find the option labeled Clear Device Search History. Tapping on this will remove the record of your searches in Google Play Store. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.